Right here, a controversy has erupted over Surya Namaskara directive. All India Muslim Personal Law Board has opposed the centre's directive to organize Surya Namaskar program in schools between 1st Jan to 7th of Jan. In fact, the General Secretary of the Muslim Personal Law Board, Maulana Khalid Saifullah Rahmani, has said that Surya Namaskar is a form of Surya Puja and Islam does not allow it. The board has also issued a statement saying that India is a secular nation. He said that customs and rituals of the majority community cannot be imposed on all religions. In fact, Maulana has also instructed Muslim students to stay away from any kind of Surya Namaskaram program. Earlier on December 29, the University Grants Commission had issued a circular asking 3 lakh students in 30,000 institutes across India to perform Surya Namaskaram in front of the tricolour under the Amrit Mahotsav celebrations to mark India's 75th year of independence. Students from 30 states will now take part in this initiative.
अब ये सूर्य नमस्कार करना यानी सूरज की पूजा करना, तो हम सूरज की पूजा नहीं कर सकते, हम सिर्फ अल्लाह की ही पूजा करेंगे, उसके अलावा किसी की पूजा हम नहीं कर सकते। तो ये हमारे धर्म में शामिल है और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने हमको इस बात की इजाजत दी है कि हम हमारे मजहब पर रहें, हमारे मजहब के तालीमात पे चलें, उसका प्रचार करें, इसकी हमको इजाजत है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने दी है।
All right, I'm going to cut across to Ashish joining us live for more on that. Ashish, we saw what the Muslim Personal Law Board had to say. They're objecting to Surya Namaskaram to be performed in schools or rather force students of all religions, particularly Muslims, to do it. They say that this is not part of the religion and therefore they will not adhere to those rules. Now, has there been any response coming in from concerned authorities in terms of the schools per se? Many of the schools, have they responded to it? We know that this is part of their regular curriculum. Right in the morning, they have to perform Surya Namaskaram. In several schools, even without a directive, they do it. It's part of yoga. Yoga is an exercise. How did religion come in the middle of this?
Yes, Nabila. So this particular objection is coming from All India Muslim Personal Law Board. In fact, senior most cleric, Hyderabad-based cleric Maulana Saifullah Rahmani, he issued a statement opposing the move of central government. Ayush Ministry, in fact, it has decided to have Surya Namaskar drive in its schools, in several of the schools across the country. And Saifullah Rahmani, in his statement, All India Muslim Personal Law Board General Secretary, in his statement says that this particular exercise, Surya Namaskaram, is against Islamic preaching, and that's why they have decided to oppose. And in fact, they say they believe that Muslim students should not join Surya Namaskar. We were speaking to several of the other Muslim clerics. They also clearly say they in fact support All India Muslim Personal Law Board statement. They say that in Islam they can't worship any Surya or sun or any other god and goddess, and that is against the Islamic preachings, and that's why they are against Surya Namaskar. However, several of the Muslim clerics, they say that they are not against yoga, but they are against this particular exercise under yoga, which is called Surya Namaskar, Nabila.
Right, thank you very much for joining us with those details.